Today I'm opening up one My Little Pony blind bag and one Hello Kitty surprise Easter egg. Okay, let's go for the egg first. It has two long sheets of very cute Hello Kitty tattoos. There are some Easter eggs and some of Hello Kitty and Easter Bunny ears and even some Easter chicks. That was 40 tattoos in all, and it looks like the two sheets are the same. Now for the My Little Pony bind bag. This one does have codes on it, stamped on the bottom. I did not check beforehand to see what codes correspond to which pony, so I don't know which pony I got. These are all the ponies you can get. And these are actually very different from when I was a little girl, so I don't have these ponies memorized. There's also a little hole so you can kind of cheat and see. If you push the pony up to the hole, you might be able to see which color you got, even if you don't know the codes. All right, let's see who we got. Very cute. Golden Harvest, adorable. I love it. So cute. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. I love this. She has orange hair, and the hair is a solid color, and then the body is kind of translucent or clear, and her little emblem on her butt is carrots. She's so cute. Curly hair, a curly mane and tail. I love her. She has green eyes to match her green carrot. Here's my Care Bear blind bag figure that I got before. So cute. And this is just a card, not a sticker, which is okay by me. Here's everything I got.